In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem hotels.com gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to apply your card so the value goes straight toward your booking. Start by heading to the official redemption page at www.hotels.com/gc. This is where gift cards are handled on the site, and it keeps everything secure and straightforward. If you need to confirm your card's balance or terms, that page is also the best place to check. Make sure you're using the site version and currency that match your gift card, since cards are typically region-specific. Next, search for your stay. Enter your destination, your check-in and check-out dates, and adjust the number of travelers if needed. Browse through the available properties and choose the hotel and room that suit your plans. As you're comparing options, keep an eye on the payment type shown for each rate. Hotels often display different rate types for the same room, and this matters for gift cards. At checkout, be sure to select a Pay Now option. This is crucial. Gift cards generally can't be used with Pay Later, Pay at the hotel, or similar options where you're charged on-site. If you accidentally pick a Pay Later rate, the gift card field may not appear during payment. If you don't see a spot to enter your card, back up and choose a rate clearly marked for payment at the time of booking. When you're in the payment section, select Gift Card or the equivalent option offered on the page. Enter your gift card code and PIN exactly as shown on your physical card or e-gift email. After you apply it, the booking total will automatically drop by the available card balance. Take a moment to review the updated total, including taxes and fees, so you know exactly what's covered. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, simply pay the difference with another accepted payment method on the same screen. In some cases, you may be able to use more than one gift card, subject to site limits, but always apply them before adding your backup payment method. Keep your card details until after your trip, just in case your booking changes or a refund needs to be processed back to the gift card. That's it. Choose a Pay Now rate, apply your gift card at checkout, and cover any remaining balance with a secondary payment method. Enjoy your stay and the savings from your hotels.com gift card.